So I was asked by a viewer if you can use an impact gun. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name, but I'll leave a link to this video as a reply to your comment. And the answer is no. I mean yes and no. There you go. So that was a 1/2-inch impact gun. Here's a little mini 3/8. So to answer the question, I would say no. I mean, you could if it's all you got, but what you'll spend on this compressor, you can get one of the Porter Cable 20-volt impact drivers, little rattle gun, and it works so much better than this. I mean, it just depends on what you're looking for, but I would not recommend using an impact gun on this Walmart Hyper Tough compressor. Anyway, thanks for watching, buddy. I appreciate the comment. And I hope this little short video helped you out, even if just a little bit.